Hey everybody, Retropez here, and today I got a package in the mail from the East Coast, and the sender really did some awesome stuff on the box, which I'm going to show you, and then we're going to do an unboxing and see what it is. So here is the box in question. Was sent to me from the East Coast. I got it on eBay. We're going to do an unboxing. But I wanted to show you all this cool stuff that he drew in. Like, do not place near magnet, glass, and how about do not place heavy objects on top, magnet sensitive, and another do not place heavy objects on top. So pretty cool. It looks like it's pretty well packaged. We're gonna check it out and see how it looks inside. Okay, so here we're gonna go ahead and open up the package. I really do like all these little drawings on here. It's pretty fun. But yeah, so I'm going to cover up the address information, and then we will see what we got in the package. I'm going to try not to dox anybody. All right. Shipping information is withheld. Here we go. Let's open it up carefully. Here in the Retropez office. Wow, look at that. There's a wire already up on top. Looks like some kind of a video cable. Oh, there's some more notes in here. Discs in smaller box. How cool is that? Disc inside. Ignore that. Don't cut. Disc inside. Don't cut. This is definitely an exciting package. Don't cut. Okay. Here we go. First item here. There's a Commodore logo. Oh, look at that. A tank mouse. Pure 1980s happiness right here. Tank mouse. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is heavy. And that looks like a power adapter of some sort. Again, very, very happy about how everything was packaged. Really well packaged. Not too many people package things very well. I've had many awesome electronics show up packaged horribly and broken with pieces flying around inside the packaging. I do remember these massive power bricks for old 80s computers. Look at that. 117 volts, so this is definitely a US model. All right, next item. There it is. Amiga 500 from Commodore. How awesome is that? I think we should plug it in and see how it works. Well, through the magic of video, it's been a couple of days. Yeah, so I needed to get a monitor and also some discs. Here is an extra RGB cable for the monitor. Now, if you remember previously, during the unboxing of the computer, there was this RGB cable here. And after trying to make a RGB to VGA adapter, I decided to just order one. So that is here. Okay, so back to our plugging in and testing of the Amiga, now that we've got some essentials. All right, so everything is connected. Computer, tank mouse, monitor. I got this extra drive. I'll connect it later. For now, I'll just put it there. But yeah, now we've got everything we need plugged in. So now we go to this. Don't cut discs inside. And I kind of get the gist here. It's almost like the Intel inside logo. I think it's really funny. So yeah, there's some discs inside here. So don't cut. We're gonna open and see what's inside. Oh, we got a few things here. All right, let's see. That's everything. Okay. So we got Amiga Workbench 1.3, the boot disk. Really cool. Amiga Extras. And the 8-bit guys, Attack of the Pesky Robots game. Pretty cool. Let's try to get this thing to boot. All right, so this is Workbench. Turn on the monitor. Oh yeah. That's right, the 1 meg or the 512K expansion card that's in this computer, the battery was removed, so it does not keep time. But that's okay, because removing the battery saved the memory expansion card from battery leakage and failing. But here we go. We got Workbench. Wow. It's been a long time since I played with Workbench. Okay. So this is a VGA adapter. So it's the 23 pin RGB to VGA adapter. I attempted to make one here. Well, for whatever reason, I could not get it working. So I just decided to order this one. This was the PC VGA to HDMI adapter I used on my retro PC build, and it worked fine. So let's go ahead and try this one out. Okay, as you can see, there's color bars, so there's output on this. Now, let's grab the VGA signal and see if we get anything. Nope. Same thing I got when I tried to make an adapter, so maybe I made the adapter just fine. Alright, so now we have the VGA to HDMI adapter right here. And so from what we've learned is that the 15 kilohertz output of the Commodore Amiga is just not compatible with a large amount of VGA devices, because most VGA devices are 35 kilohertz. Only a handful of CRT monitors can handle the 15 kilohertz. So in order to fix that problem, we got this board right here. And this board is pretty much used in like arcade cabinets and such. And it's used to do just that, because most arcades have only a 15 kilohertz output on the inside. So this takes it, the chip does whatever it does, and it outputs 32 kilohertz VGA. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in now. This right here is the plug coming from the Amiga, and we're going to plug it in here. And then over there, the plug out to the HDMI adapter. So let's go ahead and do that now. Look at that. We got a picture. And now we have a working workbench. The only problem we have here, though, is that it's stretched out, which is typical of any HDMI adapter, because it's just showing the full. So in order to fix the problem with the stretching, we're gonna go ahead and use this adapter here, and this is called the M Classic. And what this does is it upscales retro video. So 480p, 720p, it will upscale it to whatever your monitor can support. In this case, this monitor is 1440p, so that's the maximum it could support. Unless you're using like a DVD or Blu-ray, which is only 29 frames per second or 30 frames a second, at which point it will upscale to 4K. But because computers and gaming consoles and stuff are all 60 FPS or more, 1440p is the best you're gonna get. Look at that, much better. Not only is the aspect ratio correct now, 4:3 aspect ratio, but now we are at 1440p resolution. How cool is that? All right, so this Amiga is working and it's ready to go. I got another video coming up pretty soon, and we're going to be converting this Amiga and changing out the shell and all kinds of other stuff. So make sure you're liking and subscribing and turning on notifications, so that way you can see what's happening next, and check out all of my social links below.